Well, hello y'all. It's very nice to see y'all again. This is Alfred Boris Moranis here, but you can call me Alfie. I'm very pleased to welcome y'all to Garden Games. This is episode 6 of Alfie's Dog Days, and I hope y'all enjoy. We are starting with a very nice game of fetch, one of my favorites. I'm going to get it. Well, here you go. Where's my treat? Go on, throw it. Woo! Oh, it's going this way. And I go with it again. Sorry, I dropped on the camera. Woo! Look at me go. Okay, what's the next game now? Okay, y'all, I present to you a very strange net. See, look, throw it at it, and it goes the other way. What's wrong with that? Getting the hang of this now. Oh, no, it's going this way. I'm ready. Let's go. Oh, that's abnormal. Normally it comes over here. Oh well, I got it. On to soccer now. Watch my goalkeeping skills. You ready? I'm ready. Look at these mad skills. Did y'all see that? I'm pumped. I'm cool. I'm ready. That was a soft kick. I saved it anyway. Can't pick it up now. Oh, there we go. I'm getting a bit tired. No, I was not ready for that. That's not fair. You ready for my comeback? Ready? See, look at that. That was great. Well, I just love that kind of music, don't you? Right from my culture, that is. Along with this obstacle course, it's going to be extremely fun, and I hope y'all enjoy. So, sorry, I just dropped my hand. Don't worry, I'll pick it up in a second. Anyway, after this obstacle course... Round 1 is complete. Round 2, here we come. Round 3. And the bar is raised. Get it? Last round. Can you do it? Well, let's find out. And complete. Well, I hope you enjoyed my garden games. That obstacle course was definitely a challenge. Anyway, stay tuned for another... Stay tuned for another episode of Alfie's Dog Days. This is episode 6, Garden Games. See y'all later.